come in. Welcome to my channel. Shut the door behind you. I'm kidding. But yeah, welcome to my channel. I'm Shawnee and this is Nailmeshawn. So today what I want to do is show you all some products that I bought from Amazon. I think it was a week ago. And these are the things that I received in the mail. All new nail products. Most of it is nail art, but this first thing that I'm going to show you all is actually a nail lamp. And I had been needing a new one. The one that I do have that I had previously didn't really work. It didn't cure the gels that like I needed it to. So this one, I saw a few YouTube videos about it where people were talking about that it was a good lamp, and it's supposedly 120 watts. I've used it once since making this video and it's pretty good, so I'll let you all know how I like it. As you can see, it does have a handle, and that's I guess good if you want to carry it, but it's a little flimsy, but as long as it works, that's all that matters to me. It has touch at the top where you can go from 10 to 99 seconds, so that's pretty good for curing different gels. But yeah, that's what I bought first, and I'm gonna set that aside. And the next thing that I got here is some nail foils. And I've really been excited about nail foils lately. I have seen lots of videos recently and kind of have developed an obsession over them. So I saw a video on the different animal prints, and I wanted to go ahead and purchase some. So I got those. And this package here actually came as a whole like this, all of these different gems. I had a wax pencil picker there and 2 art brushes. So all of this actually came in one package, and you just buy the bundle. And as I said, everything that I bought in this video came from Amazon, and I'll try to link as much as I can in the description. So as you can see, I just got some beads, and I'm actually not really sure how I'll go about using these, but I'll get creative. I have some rhinestones, and at first I wasn't really sure if I wanted to use those, but I'll probably use those. And this is something I was really excited about because Mylar is super trendy, and it's just cute. I like it, so I want to try that. I bought some more of those little shapes. I already had some, but I was gonna use them again. Some rhinestones that I probably won't use on myself, but definitely practice. And these were some shapes, little moons and stars, and I think some seashells too. Now these here, if anybody knows what these are supposed to be, let me know. I have no clue what these are. I think they're like little petals or something, but they are very pretty, and I'll definitely be using these to encapsulate in some nails, but I have no idea what they are. Now these little not buttons, but little beads and jewels here, I wasn't really a fan of that top row, but that bottom row, that bottom left row that I'm showing, I like those a lot. I can see myself putting those on a set. And then this is just like that gold pack that I had, but in rose gold. So I was happy to have this in my bundle because it'll definitely come in hand. And yeah, so this is my first video, so I hope that I'm doing okay. And I'm actually doing a voiceover for this, so I can't remember what was in this package, but I ordered a lot of things off of Amazon, so there was a lot to show. This might be, and this is some glitter. Yeah, oh, these were, I was super excited about these. This little butterflies, I know everybody is doing the encapsulated butterflies and everything. I think these are so pretty for like spring sets and even summer. So I'll be using these a lot to encapsulate in nails. Cannot wait to use those. And I bought some more foils. Now these are the ones that I saw a YouTube video on. I actually saw a YouTuber use this set. They used one of that little teal looking one. Yeah, that marble teal. Yeah, that one that I'm picking up there. That one, I saw someone use that one. And it turned out very, very pretty. I cannot wait to use these foils. So I also bought some flames because flames on nails are cute. Can't wait to use these. I have a whole bunch of different colors. Excited about that. Those like iridescent colors. Cannot wait to put those on a set. It's going to be very, very pretty on really any set that I could think of. Can't wait to use those. So here I have some more foil. This is a McCart set. I said McCart, but I meant Modern Ones, y'all. I mainly bought this because I wanted the glue that came inside. I didn't really care about the foils. I had heard a few things about the reviews for this glue were like iffy. Some of them were good, some of them were saying that it didn't really work, but I saw some YouTube videos where people were saying that they liked it. So I wanted to give that a try, but as I said, I didn't really buy this for the foils, mainly for the gel. So I'll probably only use a few of these foils, the ones that I had pointed to. The thing broke off. The ones I'm pointing to, I'll probably only use those because the other ones just do not appeal to me. Like I'll use that animal print one, but those other ones, I'll only use those just to practice probably. They are not my style. This actually came with some flames too, this set. So I thought that was pretty cool. I have some more flames. I couldn't get it open because I'm a fool. And the little sticky tab was on the back, but I couldn't get it open at the time. But anyway, I'm excited about using those flames on some nails. And drill bits. Gotta love drill bits. So these are some cuticle bits. I am excited about these because, as we all know, the prep is the most important part of a set, because if your prep is all wrong, your nails will lift. So those cuticle bits are going to come in handy. I didn't have anything like that already, so I'm excited about that completely. Because right now, I don't think I had any bits for the cuticle at all, which is crazy because you definitely need that. So these are some nail tips, and again, I saw some videos on YouTube about these nail tips, and people were saying that these nail tips were that girl. So I wanted to try them, and they have like a stiletto shape to them, and basically once you cut the tip, it creates coffin automatically. Like I've already tried them a little bit on my practice hand. I haven't put a set or anything on them, but I've already found them or glued the nail to my practice hand and everything and tried that, and so far so good. I'll definitely let you all know how it works. As you can see, it's really sturdy. Like they really don't bend that much, so that'll be good for shaping. That nail didn't want to go back in the box because it was stuck to my glove, I guess. So yeah, I think this is the end of the video. Yeah, so that's the end of the haul. That was the last thing that I had in there. I actually had some stickers too, but I forgot to show them in the video. But if you go on my Instagram page, you can see all of that. I am Nailmeshawn on everything. Why are my hands like I'm getting ready to roast somebody? Definitely check out my Instagram. I want to thank everyone who is watching this video for watching. And if you have any questions about where I got something from, or links, or just anything nail related, please let me know. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Nailmeshawn, and I'll be back with more content. Bye, guys.